Bienvenidos a mi canal. Adivinen en dónde estoy el día de hoy. Estoy en la playa de Galveston y hoy voy a tener una sesión de fotos con una pareja y vamos a hacer un estilo más documental, más relajado, ¿ok? Así que tienen la suerte de que les voy a enseñar detrás de escenas todo lo que voy a hacer. Quédense conmigo. That looks okay, esto se ve bien. What you're gonna do is you're gonna walk holding hands towards me. Van a caminar hacia mí. Okay, and when you're walking, look at each other, smiling.
We fight and make love at the same time.
Whispering something. Close, close. I want your lips to touch her skin. And don't talk, just smile. Smile on her cheek like close, close, close. Now make her laugh, tell her a joke. You can tell her.
Still, I'm not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten.
And facing each other. And put your arms around her waist. And your arms, you're going to be on his chest. And both of you slightly this way, so you're in the center. Bend your knee. And look, and very close to each other. Like if you wanted to reach her nose. Can you hold her arm from here? There you go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Y voy a tener que jugar con el sol, buscar el ángulo para que no me afecten las fotos.
You can blame it all on me as long as we can find her.
You're gonna walk, you're gonna come walking, so start there, holding hands, and just follow the path. Again, looking at each other. They're drone. Okay, guys, come. And 1, 2, 3, run, 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 run. Look at each other.
Right about, we're holy when we touch anyhow.
Perfect. And I want a pose. I want like hands on your pocket, on the pockets of your, yeah. Have to shift the weight like this, and looking at her. Nice. And you're just gonna be spinning like woo, playing, looking at the camera, just spin. Always keep your head looking at the camera. Even if your body's turned away, you keep looking at me. 1, 2, 3. Big smile.
Let us keep on with the black eyes.
Okay, probably you're a little far from me. One step closer. Let me make it darker because the and kiss her forehead. 1, 2, 3.
So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you.
Ow, 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 ow. Venir en pantalón a Galveston y no olvidar tu strap, ¿ok? Let's do it not where the track is. Okay. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at me. Hold on, yeah. Voy a hacer una. There you go, and walk. Look at each other. Yeah, but this hand is yeah. So we can do that. Hold on, let me think how we can do that. Let me do again all the ones that I did because your arm were straight. So I want it in, okay, like that. So both looking at me. Hold on, the light is, the sun just changed.
What I did last
Okay, now you were looking at her.
I recall the times you said you're sorry.
Show me your leg. There you go. And now the kiss on the forehead. Wait.
Touch anyhow. Holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it.
There you go. So bend a little more your elbow. So your arm is perfect. And his face turning towards you. That's great. But you can lean on him. You can.
Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more.
Okay, go. Go and do it.
Can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. 'Cause one of us
Okay,
is not
good,
left to
perfect. And in that way, you're gonna push your hips away, away from the camera, and your chest closer to me. Okay, and I want to see that hand grabbing him. There you go. The 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Can you look at her lips? Her lips getting close, almost touching her lips. And gently turn your face this way towards the light and close your eyes.
Don't look at the light.
We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys.
So you don't cross too much your hand. She's the only one. She's the only. Yeah, or very soft like you did. Yeah. Okay, and do this. There you go. Perfect.
I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance.
There you go. Now keep smiling. Keep smiling.
Let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers.
And can you bring it close to you like a big hug? Squeeze her. Squeeze it. There you go. And big smile. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze her while doing tickle. Somewhere.
Walk this way.
Walk. You can walk slightly that way.
They're laughing so like ha ha ha.
You got it, Blanca?
Then I just try to open.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you